Do you want to quilt like a pro using different quilting presser feet and achieve stitches of exactly the same length even when doing ruler work? Then the Bernina 790 Ultra is the perfect machine, and I have the right video for you. I admit I'm not a quilting pro, but that's all changed now. With the integrated Bernina stitch regulator, free motion quilting is just a breeze. Is this tutorial helpful? Then please give it a like. And to make sure you don't miss any more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. To access the various quilting options, I click on the home icon and BISR. The machine prompts me to attach the BISR stitch plate. This stitch plate has an opening of 5.5 mm, which allows you to use a zigzag in the quilting mode. There is a sensor on the back that allows the machine to automatically detect the stitch plate. The square opening at the front allows the sensor to respond to the movement of the fabric. The built-in sensor for free motion quilting is located in the hook cover. My tip: the sensor will only work reliably if it is cleaned with a microfiber cloth regularly. I change the stitch plate and lower the feed dog. The stitch plate is detected automatically and needle stop is down. In the presser foot selection, you can see which presser feet are recommended for the BISR. I take the ruler foot 72 for ruler work. When using adjustable quilting feet, it is important to adjust the sole so that it only lightly touches the fabric and does not push it. There are 3 different BISR modi available, and since I want to baste my fabric first, I select the basting mode. My tip: turn on the laser for a precise positioning. The SPI2 saws 2 stitches per inch, which is ideal if the stitch needs to be easily removed later, for example in the middle of a quilt. One more tip: before I start sewing, I bring the bobbin thread with the needle stop button to the top and hold both threads slightly. SPI4 saws 4 stitches, making it more durable and ideal for the edge, for example when binding all the way around. This gives you added stability. Sewing with the foot control makes it easier to control stop and start. When quilting with ruler work, I select BISR2 mode, because the machine stops as soon as the fabric stops moving. Straight stitch and zigzag are available. The stitch length is set to 12 stitches per inch and can be adjusted as you need. Don't forget to lower the presser foot. Alternatively, you can also press the foot control, then the presser foot lowers automatically. Saw a line, reposition the ruler and saw the next line. To avoid long stitches at the end and beginning, move the fabric slowly. It's amazing how even the stitches are turning out. BISR1 mode is enabled by default. In this mode, the machine continues to run even when the fabric is not being moved. The revolutions per minute setting lets me adjust the speed at which the machine saws when the fabric isn't being moved. Instead of using the Start-Stop button, I can also activate the Kickstart function to quilt. Now start the machine using the foot control with your heel. BISR1 is perfect for stippling. As soon as I move the fabric, the machine starts running. To stop, I press the foot control again with my heel. The BISR function only works when it is turned on. Of course, I can still quilt with my BSR foot just like before. For that, I switch to the sewing mode. The same functions as in BISR are available. Was this video helpful? Then please give it a like. And to make sure you don't miss any more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bernina, made to create.